Usually an iPhone release is big news, but when Apple dropped iPhone 17e, another phone completely stole Apple's thunder, and it was the Nothing Phone 4a. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Sure, an iPhone's way more famous than Nothing, who's been slowly making a name for itself by releasing reasonably priced yet powerful Android phones. It can't win die-hard iPhone fans, but Nothing Phone 4a might change it. Firstly, the Nothing Phone 4a starts at £349, while the Pro begins at $499. They're more affordable than the $599 iPhone 17e. If we just look at the Pro model, the Nothing Phone's bigger than the iPhone, with a more advanced display, while the iPhone 17e has a chipset that'll perform better. However, in the cameras department, Apple's long been insistent on only offering a single rear camera on its budget phones. However, the Nothing Phone 4a and Pro both have a 50-megapixel main, a 50-megapixel periscope for 3.5x zoom, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide. While the iPhone may have all of Apple's fancy software and post-processing, but you won't be picking it up for photography. Even Nothing Phone 4a Pro lasts a lot longer on a single charge than iPhone 17e. Of course, Apple paid less attention to iPhone 17e since it was busy with launching MacBook Neo for the same price, and that worked in favor of the Nothing Phone 4a. When the E-series first came, it was exciting and new, but now with annual releases dropping the same product with tweaked specs, it doesn't feel any special anymore. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.